how to set up your store on WordPress WooCommerce. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard. Now all what you have to do is simple. As you can see right here, this is the dashboard. Now go right here to this WooCommerce option, click on it, and now all what you have to do is click on start a new store. Now all what you have to do is fill those informations, and after you finish, click continue and everything will be done. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.